We've waited for this for some time.
Wouldn't have missed it for anything.
It's so exciting.
Crowds of people are streaming in.
You can see, you can hear, you can feel the buzz.
I didn't really expect the sheer scale of the ships.
There are just so many things to do. We're having a very good time.
I don't see how you could get anything more memorable than this.
It is just an amazing spectacle. It's great that we've just opened the Tall Ships event to the city, and it's just wonderful to see all the smiling faces.
When I cut the ribbon this morning, it was chucking it down with rain, and there were still hordes of people coming down Marshall Street and onto the quayside.
It's been a long time in coming. The sense of anticipation has been building over months, but we're here now. It's a fantastic opportunity to share the rich maritime heritage that we have here in Aberdeen with the wider public. So pleased it's come back to the city. It brings a vibrancy.
Such a great thing for Aberdeen.
There's a lot of people. It's so excited and I love it.
The ships, the people, the activities, there are just so many things to do.
We've never seen that much people in Aberdeen.
It's a fantastic experience, but it's also great for every member of the family. There's something for everyone here over the next 4 days.
This is my first time seeing any tall ship.
I've got fond memories when I was a child, so it's time to take along this little child.
It's not just about the boats, it's about a longer lasting legacy.
We can see the footfall not only coming to this spectacular event, but they're spilling into the city centre in great numbers and filling our restaurants, our bars, our cafes at a time where we'll all understand it is really needed.
It just makes me feel so happy that Aberdeen is doing something for the community.
It's really, really lovely to see Aberdeen having something so massive. It's been phenomenal. We've been able to do these line-up prints. Hamish has met Spider-Man. There's been all sorts of activities and groups to meet in the different locations. It's been really well organised and we're delighted.
People are out enjoying themselves. Everybody's happy. We have brought a huge number of partners, different organisations and individuals together. The sense of teamwork is absolutely phenomenal.
Fantastic. Meeting people from everywhere, all over the country, far and wide, and abroad as well.
It's a global event, and that's exactly what we've been looking for in Aberdeen. I'm very proud that Aberdeen has put on such a great show.
We won the prize for the most international crew. We're happy.
Everybody I've met here, so many people are so welcoming.
You guys have welcomed us in the most amazing way.
We spend a lot of our effort as a government to make sure that major events are able to be brought to Scotland, and the Tall Ships Festival is one of those examples, and I do hope we're able to make sure that the Tall Ships Festival can come back to Aberdeen with a shorter gap than the last time.
I've got a massive list of thank yous to do. I'll start with my own team at Port of Aberdeen, who've risen to the challenge of making this a very busy port, but one that can accommodate tens of thousands of visitors and 49 beautiful tall ships. Our partners, Aberdeen City Council and Aberdeen Inspired, and then of course the army of volunteers, without whom none of this would have been possible.
We had over 300 volunteers involved with Tall Ships Aberdeen. What an amazing job they did. We could not have done it without them, and it's a huge thank you from all our team.
I love the tall ships, the ability to take oneself back to the basic principles of sailing, which 250 youngsters from Aberdeenshire have been able to experience this year.
I feel like I've grown a lot and changed as a person.
I thought it was one of the most amazing experiences of my life.
We've proved we can do it. We've proved we can do it exceptionally well, and that will stand Aberdeen in good stead when it comes to bidding for future multi-day events that will allow us to bring people into our city centre to make Aberdeen an even better place to live, a better place to work, a better place to visit, and a better place to do business.
I will be rather emotional and sad to see them sail off onto the horizon. But hasty back.